dead serious mission right now.
What are we about to do?
Eat those Beyond Avocado Tacos.
Yep, so we're gonna go check that out.
Check out this plaza that we're in. Wait, Beyond Tacos. We could also get a Beyond Burger.
Yeah, there's a
That's
Carl's Jr. right behind us.
We're taking over.
Yep. So we'll see you in a minute.
Go vegan.
Show you these things. So what are we about to do, Kevin?
Eat Beyond Tacos. Already opened one of mine.
Yeah. Yeah, seriously, vegan tacos at Del Taco.
Crazy.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get on this.
Laura. You're gonna have to edit out the audio on this.
Oh yeah. So here we go. It's really saucy.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody said it's got like a lot more spice than the regular stuff does.
I have no idea what the regular stuff tastes like because I've never had it.
Yeah.
Why don't you give it a try?
Me? That was crazy, but it's a taco. It's got a spicy mixture in it.
Yeah.
It's good. Yeah. Awesome.
Cool. So, what'd you think of your
It was good.
Beyond
It's
Avocado
crazy.
Taco?
Like, they never would have known. Like, there are people in there eating them. Like, man, that's tasty. They just didn't even know.
Yeah.
It's a little annoying that they're more expensive than the other ones, but hey, veganism's come a long way. It's going further.
Yep.
It's gonna be cheaper. What'd you think?
I thought it was pretty good. I thought it was, I thought it could have had more spice to it.
Yeah.
I guess I had in my brain maybe like Chipotle, like the sofritas,
Yeah.
like
I
how
agree.
that's flavored.
Yeah.
But it was just a really weird experience to be going into a
Yeah.
fast
Well, see,
food
I don't even
place.
have anything to compare it to. I've never had like a
Yeah, I've never had
Del
Taco.
Taco with meat.
No.
It's like a long time ago. I wouldn't even know what it tastes like, but
Yeah.
it was good. I mean, yeah.
In a pinch, like would I come here all the time? No. Maybe if I was short on cash, maybe.
Well, and at that
in a
point,
hurry?
you wouldn't get the. If you were short on cash, you wouldn't get the Beyond Taco.
I'd
You'd
get
probably
that
get the
little
rice
burrito.
and bean burrito that was $1.
Yeah, it was $1.
It was like for that you could have had 2.5
Yeah.
of those for one Beyond Taco.
Right. So you could either get 2
Yeah.
Beyond Tacos or 5 burritos.
There, man,
I
math
math
whiz.
well.
But hey, it was good. It's an awesome start. I
Yeah.
hope people pick up on it. You know,
Yeah.
it was good. I
hope
just
more
have nothing to
places.
compare it to.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So somebody, let us know if you've tried it and you've also had the meat one.
Yeah,
How it
I'd be
compares.
interested to know
Yeah.
that part.
Yeah.
But it was good.
Yeah. Anyway, cool.
Time to go do more
More-
work. It's 100 degrees outside. Let's go.